Standard First Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrunal and today, before starting with our topic, I am going to ask you some questions. Here are the questions for you. The first question is, do you all have friends? Yes, you have friends. Okay. The second question is, do you like to make new friends? Oh, you love to make new friends. That's good. So today you will get a chance to make a new friend because I am going to introduce you to your new friend. Here is your new friend, Tom. What is the name of your new friend? Yes, Tom. So today Tom is going to tell us about himself. So our topic for today is This is Tom. My name is Tom. I am a boy. This is my mouth. I have many teeth. I use my teeth to eat. This is my nose. I have one nose. I use my nose to smell. My friend asks, "Show me your leg, Tom." I show my leg. I have a big toe on each foot. My friend says, "Point at your big toe, Tom." I say, "That is my big toe." I can clap with my two hands. What can you do with your hands? Now Tom is asking you, what can you do with your hands? Think. See here, some pictures I have given. In the first picture, the boy is writing. In the second picture, the children are holding the fruits to eat. And in the third picture, someone is holding something. So, with your hands, you can write. You can hold your food to eat and also hold different things. So, you can do different things with your hands. Here are the new words. Leg. Repeat after me. Leg. Next is toe. Repeat. Toe. And the next new word is teeth. Repeat after me. Teeth. Now, you know the new word, so let's make sentences from these words. Make sentence. Now, here are the words and you have to frame sentences from these words. First, let's read the sentences which I have framed. The first word is leg and the sentence I have framed is Ali broke his leg. The second word is toe and the sentence I have framed is she stamped on my toe. Third word is teeth. The sentence I have framed is I brush my teeth twice daily. In this way, you have to also frame a sentence from all these three words. You all know about Tom. Now, let's read about Tom. So, first I will read and then you have to repeat after me. Let's start. This is Tom. My name is Tom. I am a boy. This is my mouth. I have many teeth. I use my teeth to eat. This is my nose. I have one nose. I use my nose to smell. My friend asks, "Show me your leg, Tom." I show my leg. I have a big toe on each foot. My friend says, "Point at your big toe, Tom." I say, "That is my big toe." I can clap with my two hands. What can you do with your hands? Now, as we have read about Tom, let's see some questions based on Tom. Here are the questions. The first question is, how does Tom use his teeth? The second question is, how many big toes does Tom have on each foot? The third question is, what do you think Tom can do with his mouth? Now, you have to answer all these three questions. Here are the answers. The first question was, how does Tom use his teeth? And the answer is, Tom uses his teeth to eat. The second question was, how many big toes does Tom have on each foot? And the answer is, Tom has one big toe on each foot. The third question was, what do you think Tom can do with his mouth? And the answer is, I think Tom can eat and talk with his mouth. Now, this is what I think. If you think Tom can do something else with his mouth, you write in your answer. What do you think Tom can do with his mouth? Okay, so with this, we come to an end with our question answers. Now, let's move towards the activity. The activity for you is identify and match the body parts. You can see a picture of a boy and with it name of body parts such as eye, mouth, leg, ears, nose and hand. You have to identify these body parts and match them correctly. I hope you all will match the body parts correctly. So now let's go towards your homework. Here is your homework. What is your homework? Name the parts of body. Here you can see a picture of a boy and arrow pointing towards him. What you have to do is draw such like boy in your book and then name all the parts of body towards which the arrows are pointing. For example, the first arrow is pointing towards hair. So in the box I have named it hair. In such way you have to name all the parts of body. I hope everyone will complete your homework and you liked your new friend Tom. Thank you.